Discover how collaborative design in 3D printed footwear is revolutionizing the industry. Enhanced customization. Brands like Adidas and Nike utilize 3D printing to create personalized shoes tailored to individual preferences, offering unique designs and superior comfort. Accelerated innovation. 3D printing enables rapid prototyping, allowing designers to swiftly bring intricate and avant-garde designs to life, pushing the boundaries of traditional footwear aesthetics. Sustainable production. By adopting 3D printing, companies reduce material waste and energy consumption, contributing to more eco-friendly manufacturing processes in the footwear industry. Experience the future of footwear at 3dshoes.com.